Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will begin our exercise 7.4 of class 6th. This exercise is completely based on the topic comparing fraction. So in the fraction we have numerator and denominator. So we will compare fraction on the basis of denominator and on the basis of numerator. First condition, when we have denominator are same, it means the downside value are same. On that time we have to see only numerator. Whose numerator is greater, that fraction will become greatest fraction. Same as in the numerator, if numerator are same, it means upside values are same. In that we will see just simple the denominator. Smaller denominator fraction is greatest fraction. So denominator are same, on that case we will see numerator. Greater numerator fraction, it means that fraction will become greatest fraction. Just opposite in the numerator. If numerator are same, so we will see denominator, but it should be smaller. In the case of denominator are same, numerator should be greater. But in the case of numerator, if numerator are same, in that denominator are smaller, that will become greatest fraction. But one more condition is there, if numerator and denominator both are different, okay, to others fraction, so we will make same denominator by LCM. So we will make all the fractions denominator same by LCM. Now we are going to start our exercise. That first question is, write shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in the ascending and descending order using sign greater, equal, less between the fraction. So firstly we have to write the shaded portion as fraction. So we know that the number of total partition are come downside. So simply we will count the number of partition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in all figure 8 partition is there. That's why I am putting here in the denominator what? 8. Now in this how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3 are shaded. In second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are shaded. Here in third one 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded, and in the last only one is shaded. That's why here will come. As you can see, all fractions are having same denominator. So in the rule we seen, if denominator are same, so greater numerator fraction is greatest fraction. So which fraction whose numerator are greater, that is the greatest fraction. It means 6 by 8 is the greatest and 1 by 8 is the smaller. So we have to write in the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Smaller is 1 by 8. After 1 by 8, 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Then 4 by 8. And the last is greatest fraction, that is 6 by 8 will come. Same thing we have to write in the descending order. That's why we will start now 6 by 8, because descending order means biggest, big to small, greatest to smaller. 6 by 8, then symbol also will change. Then 4 by 8, then 3 by 8, and the smaller one is 1 by 8. Now second part is there. In that how many portion is there? You can see all are having same partition, that is 9. In the first how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are shaded. In the second 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded. In the third 1, 2, 3 are shaded. And the last one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are shaded. So you can see all are having the same denominator. So we will just simply see the numerator. The greater numerator having the greater fraction. It means 8 by 9 is the greatest fraction among all of them. So in the ascending order, 8 by 9 will come at the last. So who is the smaller? 4 by 9, 3 by 9, 6 by 9. Out of these 3 by 9 is the smaller. So it will come at the first. 3 by 9 after which fraction? 4 by 9, then 6 by 9, then 8 by 9. In the descending order, we will just revise all the fraction. So firstly, greatest fraction will come, then symbol must also be changed, then 6 by 9, then 4 by 9, then 3 by 9. Part number C, that is show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. So you can see they all are positive. So they all are present on the right of the 0. So we are static with the 0. Okay, you can see each gap having the same distance. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I am stopping this only here. You can continue moving on. You can see here all are having the same denominator as 6. So we just put the 6 in the denominator. Okay, 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, it will become 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6. 6 by 6 can also be write as in the form of that if we are writing 6 by 6. So from the table of 6 it will cut one time. So it can be right in the form of 1. So here is our 0 and here is our 1. Okay. Now 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6 and 12 by 6. So 12 by 6 can also be right in the form of 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12. So here is our 2. Okay. Now we have to show first 2 by 6. So here is our 2 by 6. 4 by 6. So here is our 4 by 6. Now 8 by 6. So here is our 8 by 6 and one thing is 6 by 6. So this all will become 6 by 6 as a 1 will become here. Now put appropriate sign between the fraction given. So first is 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. Denominator are same. So greater numerator value is the greatest fraction. 5 is greater than 2. So all fraction will become greater. Okay, this symbol will come. Here 3 by 6 and here is 0. So obviously 3 by 6 is greater than 0. Now 1 by 6, 6 by 6. Denominator are same. So that whose numerator are bigger? This 6 is greater than 1. So this fraction 6 by 6 will become greater. Here 8 by 6, 5 by 6. Both are having same denominator. That's why whose numerator are greater, that is 8 by 6 will become the greatest fraction. Now here we completed question number first. Now question number 2. Compare the fraction and put appropriate sign. Okay. Now here 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. Denominator same. So whose numerator are greater? Here 5 is greater than 3. It means 5 by 6 is greater. Second one is 1 by 7. That will compare by 1 by 4. You can see both are having different denominator. So what we have to do? Okay, in the property we see if numerator and denominator both are different, so we will make some same denominator by LCM. Okay, So we have 1 by 7 and 1 by 4. So when we take the LCM 7 and 4, so firstly it will go with the table of 2. 7 as it is, 4 will go 2 times. Again it will go with the table of 2. 7 as it is, 2 will go 1 time. And lastly it will go with the table of 7, 1 and 1. So 7 2s are 14 and 14 2s are 28. So LCM क्या बन गया? Now LCM will become 28. We have first fraction that is 1 by 7 and next fraction is 1 by 4. Okay, we have to make both denominator as 28. So here I am putting 28 and here also I am putting 28. So 7, how can 7 will become 28? You just read the table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. So after multiplying by 4 we get 28. So same number multiply by 4 we will do in the 1. So multiply by 4. 1 4s are 4. Here also we can see 4 by 4 we have to make as a 28. So in the table of 4, how many times we can get 28? In 7 times we will get 28. So same 7 we have to multiply in 1. So here 7 will multiply in 1, that will become 7. So you can see 1 by 7 will become 4 by 28. So here with the help of pencil I am writing 4 by 28. And 1 by 4 will become 7 by 28. So here 7 by 28 will become. So we'll just compare this pencil term. 28 and 28 same denominator. And out of 4 and 7, who is greater? 7 is greater. That's why we can say 1 by 4 as 7 by 28 is greater than 1 by 7 as 4 by 28. Now C1, 4 by 5, that will compare with 5 by 5. So you can see denominator are same. Okay. So in numerator here out of 4 and 5, 5 is greater. It means this fraction 5 by 5 is greater. Now D, 3 by 5, that will compare with 3 by 7. Again we can see both are having different denominator. We have to take the LCM of 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7. 5 is smaller, that's why we will give the division with the help of 5. 5 will come one time, 7 as it is. Now with the help of 7 here. So 7 5s are 35. So LCM will become 35. We have first fraction that is 3 by 5 and second fraction 3 by 7. We have to make both denominator as 35 because their LCM are 35. So in the table of 5 we get 35 in 7 times. So same 7 we will multiply in 3. So that 3 7s are 21. So 3 by 5 will become 21 by 35. Same as here, 7 in the table of 7, 35 comes 5 times. So same 5 will multiply here in the 3. So 3 5s are 15. So here 15 by 35. You can see here we have 21 by 35, here 15 by 35. Both denominator are same and whose denominator are greater? Here 21 is the greatest, that means 3 by 5 is the greatest fraction. Question number 3 is make 5 more such pairs as question number 2 and put appropriate signs. A is that we made 3 by 5 and 7 by 5. Denominator are same. So whose numerator are greater? That will become greater number. So here is greater number symbol. Then 4 by 3, 1 by 3. Denominator are same. So whose numerator is greater? 4 is greater. So here this symbol will come. Now 9 by 2, 11 by 2. Same denominator. Whose numerator is greater? 11 by 2 having the greater numerator. That means it will become greater. D is 3 by 7, 1 by 7. So 3 is the greater in the numerator. So it will become greater. Now E having 1 by 3, that will compare with 1 by 2. Both are having different denominator, but their numerator are same. 1 is here, 1 is here. So when numerator are same, in that case whose denominator are smaller? Denominator we see smaller, but numerator we see greater. Here numerator are same, so that whose denominator are smaller, that will become greater. So here this symbol will come. Now we will start our question number 4, that is, look at the figure and write greater or smaller or equal between the given pairs of fraction. So here 0 and 1, okay. Here 0, half, 2 by 2. Here total partition is 1. Here total partition is 2. We will just see the denominator. Here in the third line, total partition is 3. 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 partition in the fifth line. And last one is having the 6 partition. So A is 1 by 6. That will compare with 1 by 3. So where is 1 by 6? Here is 1 by 6. So I am just marking here 1 by 6. And where is 1 by 3? 1 by 3 is here. So you can see 1 by 6 portion is only this much, and 1 by 3 is this much. So who is looking greater? 1 by 3 is looking greater. It means this symbol will come. Same second, 3 by 4. Where is 3 by 4? Here is 3 by 4. Now 2 by 6. Here is 2 by 6. 3 by 4 is this much, but 2 by 6 only this much. So as the visual that you can easily recognize, 3 by 4 is greater. Now see 2 by 3. Here is 2 by 3. Now 2 by 4. Here is 2 by 4. Who is greater? You can just see easily here. I drawn simply line. On the right hand side we have greatest value. On the right of line 2 by 3 is there. It means 2 by 3 is greater. Now 6 by 6. Where is 6 by 6? Here is 6 by 6. And 3 by 3. Where is 3 by 3? Both are having on the same line. That means they are equal. Now 5 by 6. Where is 5 by 6? 5 by 6 is here, and 5 by 5. Where is 5 by 5? Here is 5 by 5. If I draw on a line, so on the right of line is 5 by 5. So it will become greater. So here we completed question number 4. Now question number 5. How quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign, greater, equal or smaller. 1 by 2, that will compare with 1 by 5. You can see here the numerator are same. So we will see whose denominator is smaller. So whose denominator is smaller? 1 by 2 denominator is smaller. That's why it will become greater. Now B is 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. You can see they are not in the simplest form. So we will do it into the simplest form. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So it will become 1 by 2. Here also 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So it will become 1 by 2. It means 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 having the same simplest form. That means they both are equal. They both are equal. Now 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. You can see here both are having different denominator. So you can do LCM. I am directly telling you what is the LCM. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. First fraction that we have 3 by 5 and second fraction is 2 by 3. So we have to make their denominator as 15. Okay. So in the table of 5, 15 comes in 3 times. So we will multiply 3 into numerator. 3 3s are 9. So 3 by 5 will become 9 by 15. Now here in the table of 3, 15 comes in 5 times. So that in the table we have to multiply 5 in the numerator. So that 2 5s are 10. So here on the place of 2 by 3 what we have to write? 10 by 15. Now you can see the 15 denominator are same. So 10 is greater. It means that 2 by 3 is the greatest fraction. D. 3 by 4, that will compare with 2 by 8. You can see 3 by 4 is the simplest, but 2 by 8 is not the simplest. So we will make it simplest. 2 1 is 2, 2 4s are 8. Now you can see 4 4 denominator is same. So whose numerator is greater? In the numerator we will have to see greater when we are checking numerator. But when we are checking denominator, on that time we will see a smaller value. Okay. So here is denominator are same. So we have to check numerator. So when we are checking numerator, so we have to find greater. Greater is 3. So it will become greater fraction. 3 by 5, 6 by 5. Both are having same denominator. It means what we have to check? We have to check numerator. Numerator 6 is greater. It means this fraction 6 by 5 will become greater. Its remaining question you have to solve as I shown in the video. Remaining questions of question number 5 you have to solve. Now question number 6 to 10 we will see in the next video.